Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to enable and disable slow mode on Telegram. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open Telegram application and sign into your account if necessary. Now, in order to enable slow mode in a group, tap open a group. Let me tap open this group right here. Now, from the conversation screen, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. From this page, tap on the pencil icon at the upper right corner. Once you do that, go to the permissions option by tapping on it. Now, at the bottom, you'll be able to see a slow mode option. You can select a timer for how long you have to wait before sending your next message on Telegram. If you choose 10 seconds interval, the members will be able to send only one message every 10 seconds, and so on. The longest time interval you can select is up to 1 hour, on where members will be able to send only one message every 1 hour. If you want to add any exceptions to any of your contact, then tap on Add Exception at the bottom of the screen and choose a contact to whom you want to allow to one of these options displayed on the screen. From this page, under What can this user do, you can go ahead and select or deselect and allow access to the contact and give them an exception. After you make your change, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner, and doing so after the slow mode is enabled, the person who you marked as an exception in the group members can send their message anytime without a break. And the admin, that is you of course, is allowed to write anytime anyway. That was how you can enable slow mode on Telegram. Now let me show you how to quickly disable the slow mode. Now, from your conversation screen, tap on the group name at the top of the screen and tap on the pencil mark at the upper right corner of the screen. Once you do that, go to permissions again and then go to slow mode. Simply turn the slow mode off by tapping on the off button, and you have turned off the slow mode on Telegram. Go to the upper right corner and tap on the tick mark to save the changes. One more time, tap on the tick mark at the upper right, and there you go. That is how you can enable and disable slow mode on Telegram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.